A short while ago, I got the digital vacuum wax injector down in the studio, and it's time to go figure out which chamber the wax goes in. Irene's ready to get it going, so it's time to get going. The wax injector has two chambers that both have pressure seals available on them. This one has an O-ring, and this one just has a plastic container that seals it up. Now, Irene put some wax down here in the bottom, then she decided she wasn't sure if that's where it should go. So I'm going to go ahead and check out and see where it should be, and if it's not supposed to be there, then we'll put it in the right chamber. We've started the process of evaluating the digital vacuum wax injector for Irene's business, and it has some real promise. The first 3 tries that we made at making a wax are not bad. We did some others that worked less well, but what we're going to be doing right now is we're going to be going through another manual. It's not the manual that came with this machine. I'll be using this Yasui manual because it looks to be essentially the same product. That happens in China quite a lot. Now it's a matter of going through the various options that are shown here in this manual and seeing how many of them match up with this controller. It's a tedious process, but one that's necessary. Well, the new digital vacuum wax injector saga continues. I'm going to do a short video to send to the manufacturer along with some additional pictures to describe the problem. Fortunately, I have somebody who's willing to help, or at least he says he's going to help. We'll see. It's always an issue of dealing with a foreign manufacturer versus somebody in the US. I'm going to get started. I've got to turn everything on. Well, I've taken quite a number of still photos and videos of this machine not operating correctly. It was partially operating the other day. It just stopped working. Well, it didn't quite stop working, but it's not working right. I'll be going upstairs and editing these videos down so I can send them off to China tonight, because they're about 12 hours ahead of us, so it'll be to their place at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Hopefully I'll have an answer back by noon tomorrow. our time. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications because we've got a lot more stuff going on. We were up to Flagstaff today to see some friends, deliver a few plants. And Irene got a call while she was in at a big box store picking a few things up. Rufus's vet call will be tomorrow morning at 9:40 instead of Monday. So we get to go and do it all over again. We'll talk at you later. Bye.